So this video is about how the video projector works at Brooke Point. You can see that there is a group of cables. It's red, green, blue horizontal sync, which is what these are right here. These feed into a cable that goes into source 1 VGA input. There's also in the back of this is a RCA video cable that plugs into video source 1 there. And when we have a Google Chromecast, it plugs into that device right there. So there's one HDMI port. Let's first explain. These cables go up into the ceiling, and they come out from, they go into this cabinet. Once they go into this cabinet here, this media cabinet, there is, the wires are all in the back. You can see where the cables come back in. It turns around, goes into a connector. The RCA cable goes into the output of the DVD player, which is plugged in, and the VGA cable comes out of this black box. So it came into this black box and then goes out of this box down into this box right here. So the input is not really the input anymore. It says input 6, but it really doesn't matter. And then you have another input there. The bottom 3 inputs are not used, but this is for audio input. Speaking of audio, the output of the DVD player goes into this amplifier, and it plays audio. Please don't adjust any of these things. If they want to play music from their laptop, they run a cable into that port. It also goes into this amplifier. The output of this audio goes into this speaker control, which is the only audio you should use, and then it goes into the speakers into this room. If somebody is wanting to use a laptop and they have HDMI output, there is a box at the front desk that will convert HDMI to VGA, which is that top blue port right there. Other than that, that's really it. We do have a Chromecast, which will be plugged in up there, and they can select that as a HDMI input and be able to broadcast to that Chromecast. So that is another option as well. So that is how everything works for the video projector and sound system here at Brooke Point. You don't have to worry about the top box or the bottom box. They are just amplifiers. So, and then your audio amplifier is this top one. Please don't mess with it. I noticed that the reason why audio wasn't working down here is this audio control was completely all the way down and that one was all the way up. Well, if this one isn't on, then nothing else matters. So that is how you use the video projector at Brooke Point and how it is wired.